Stupid bird review. Yeah. Stupid bird review has returned. We have a new bird. New really cool bird. Well, not exactly new, but he's from 2001. So this is the canvasback. Canvasback. Ain't he cool? And he's from 2001. He was released in 2001 as well. So he's pretty cool. He has an orange head, a black leathery beak, black on his chest, canvas white here and white down here, and a black butt. And he has red eyes, kind of like the pochard that we reviewed previously. And something cool about this guy is he actually has Velcro, so you can change his box if you need to. Of course, mine works. Canvasback. I give this one a 9 out of 10. It's just so cool. Let's see if we can get a good look at that tag there. Yeah, 2001. Yeah. Really cool bird. I'm glad I have this guy. This one's also very rare. Very rare bird here.